Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today is the fourth day of us living in the car. We haven't filmed any of the other days because we've just been getting used to it, working a lot. And today is the first day that we're venturing out of the area that we know. We're going up to Albany and we're meeting up with my buddy. And we're going to be staying at his place tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to be going up to Lake George and camping in Lake George. And then from there, I think we're going to Lake Placid and then to the Finger Lakes.
And I'm also sick.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Bella has COVID, but okay.
I did actually need to cough.
Yeah, sure. But we have an hour and 16-minute drive. And yeah, so let's get on the road. All right, so we stopped to get some gas, and Bella's going into the gas station right now to get some water for this little guy. He's just chilling back here. Mommy's going to get you water. Yeah. Yeah, he's actually doing really good in the car. He's just been chilling out, sleeping. He's used to the Jeep now, and he's just so happy. Yeah, you're a happy boy. He's so cute. But yeah, he usually sleeps all day. And then sleeps all night. Oh, hello. You want pets? But yeah, we're probably like 30 minutes from Javin's house right now. And where we are, it's really pretty. Alright, you guys, we have made it to Javin's apartment. I could tell by his slew of shit boxes, his Accord, his Civic, and his bike. He said he's coming out now. I didn't even know this motherfucker had a trailer. He'd be hiding stuff from me. But yeah, so we're gonna unpack a little. I think me and Bella are gonna shower. Is Grayson escaping?
He's literally trying to. He's trying to.
Buddy, it's okay.
Go back in the car.
But yeah, I think me and Bella are gonna shower quick, and then we're gonna probably figure out something to do today. Oh, there he is. There's the main man himself. I didn't know you had a trailer.
What?
Since when did you get a trailer?
I've been had that. What's going on?
The race car.
Yup. Future build.
Right to the scrapyard.
No. It'll outlive us this time.
I thought you said it had no interior.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, you haven't met her yet.
No.
Bella, Javin, Bella.
Hi.
Where's Grayson?
Also, this is what you guys got.
Yeah.
This looks like a bag.
It's just a giant like duffel bag.
Oh, okay.
But do you see how fucked my rear suspension is? Like, look at the leaf spring.
It's like upside down.
Yeah.
It's in the wrong.
Yeah, it's because it's so blown out. I see new ones. Guys, so we've made it to the off-road road. Javin doesn't know if it's actually open or not, but we didn't see any signage saying that it's not, but it's a road. Oh,
Yeah.
so
Stay on it.
we don't need to stay on it. We are still in two-wheel drive. Another thing is, I'm not sure if four-wheel drive still works or not because Bella kind of blew it up last time. But we're gonna find out. Every time Javin gets out of the Jeep, he gets, look at them all. These things are nasty. Hell out of here. Our first blockage on the trail, giant tree.
You good?
Look at how flexed out this thing is. This one is fully flexed. And then look at how tight this is. Look at this fitment, boy. Look at this fitment. Damn. Yeah, that's a sick picture. Alright, so we've come to another obstacle in the road. The Jeep definitely isn't making it over this, and we're definitely not moving it. We can move it. I'm gonna like do the roll the log. Insert clip of cartoon.
The tires, put it in reverse.
Right, boom. We have to figure out a way around.
Let's just move it. Pick it up in this one.
I don't think we can.
Push it with the Jeep.
Hell no! I mean, we might be able to just drive through here and around.
Yeah,
it's just.
Oh yeah, go straight.
Yeah. I don't know if that's gonna end well though.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay guys, so my camera ended up dying, so I'm filming on my phone right now, but there's a really pretty view back here, so we're gonna take some pictures. Look at my little photographer girlfriend. She's gonna run over. Alright you guys, so we are now at the top of Thatcher Park.
Mount Everest.
Gorgeous. Yeah, this is not Mount Everest, not even close. We got the Jeep up here. And look how beautiful this shit is.
Oh, it is.
Food has arrived. Burger.
Chicken.
Chicken burger.
Soup.
Is it good? It's not spookily anymore. Alright, so I got my spooky dookie, and he's got his regular dookie. Okay, go ahead. You want brownie? Is it yummy? Alright, so it is like 1 in the morning right now, so I don't want to be too loud. But currently on Javin's couch, trying to upload all the footage today. Trying to get it all edited and stuff. Can this open? Can this open? Yeah, editing, and realized that I didn't film an outro, but pretty much after we went wheeling, we went to the 2 different scenic locations I showed you guys. Then we went out to dinner, and now I'm just editing before going to sleep. Tomorrow morning we are going to Lake George and then to Lake Placid and going up Whiteface Mountain, so that's pretty exciting. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.